So this is episode 4, and welcome back, gamers. So last episode we got the iron sapling, and I've been offline for a little bit. Yeah, don't feel good about it. But yeah, I've been offline and I did a few things. So okay, there we go. So yeah. Now I can just create chests. Excuse me? Why is this chest up here? Low. Whatever. It's up here. Okay. So yeah. Now I remember where I left it. So now that we have iron, I've been making these. Just actually make some chests. Okay. Make 8 chests. I'm only going to be able to make 4 hoppers. Actually. 5 bricks, small tiles. I don't really care what it is. You should just need to be choosing. Okay, so put your sticks in here like that. And put that there. Is there just okay? Here. How about I see how you make this? And then just a slab. Well, I know where to get a slab, but I don't know how to use it. Put your slabs there. I am having a limited inventory right now. Does that work? Tell me something. She's a little bit stone. So it's just from normal stone, not cobblestone. I'm literally throwing that out of my inventory. Just because. Come on. Why don't we cook some? How about I place down some of these? Don't mind the squeaking in the background, it's just a chair. I don't know what I need to put on it. Okay. Can I turn this so I can turn it into anything? How about we turn it into chisel work? So twisted. Sure. Where's the twisted? French 1, French 2, jelly bean, small blocks, tiles, inches. Oh, twist. You know what? It doesn't actually matter. So, doesn't care. It doesn't matter. Now, finally, can we get to the matter of making this? Finally. Forging hammer. Let's place it right here. Okay, shovels. Okay, iron. Iron plate. So just 2 iron. And iron. Now I need 2 more. Coal one over here. Coal acorn. Wood. No. Rubbish. Okay, what else do I want to put in it? Sticks. How have I not put sticks in here? I know where to put slabs, but I'm not going to put it in there right now. Okay, whatever. I can just put whatever I want. Yes, it's full. But it's not completely full, so we can put some stuff in there. But I don't know. Cobblestone. Rubbish. Okay, so we go with this. Take out all this. It's full. I realize that. Okay. There. Okay. Seems. No. Go back in there. Okay. See something? Here. I'm gonna show you how to do something. Iron and coins. Here. Oh, you had some iron resin left over? Boom. You just get rid of this, give rid of the rest of this stuff. I know that issue. Okay. Now. I got all that. How about we make a real furnace this time? How many furnaces can I make? 5? Let's make just one. No. Yes. Okay. Throw that in there. Okay. Throw that. I learned something. You actually take this. It's evenly perfect. 4 stacks. Planks is actually evenly perfect of burn time as the natural wood. So it's better to actually make the planks and then burn the planks. And I realized that. I want to see something. Carpet. I'm carpeted. White carpet. Okay. Cauldron. I'm not gonna lie. I'm going to answer it can be useful. 0.34 seconds. Well, items, I mean. Okay, no. White carpet, pixies, hay bale, yum. Stores energy for later use. Can be filled in empty bin. I have so many questions that cannot be answered. Let's go over to this, put all that in there, and watch it. 1. So I'm at treadmill. I will have enough to make a metal crate. Wait, let me search up. That's not how you spell metal. Metal. Stone wood. Metal. I just realized I can just check this. And I didn't even spell the first letter right. So metal barrel. Metal drum. I'm going to add, and look at that. Wait for it. Okay. Also, they're exactly the same. Yeah? There's literally nothing different about it. I'm sad. Can I throw the thing with it? I know which one to fill up. Well, I know what to fill up. I have so many questions that can't be answered. Okay. to get all that cobblestone out. No special features. Tell me something, what is this for then? What is this for? Not special or anything. No, yeah. How about we start making the crafting suit? Yeah, I forgot. We can all become what about this? And you can custom. Oh wait a second. Here I am. Oh. I just need weights from a mod. Yeah, I'm gonna hate this. Faulty, this is self-aware. I have too many questions to be asked. Birthday ball. Hold on. No. I hate it. I actually hate it. No, I'm making something. Oh, but then you got a Whopper? Is it a Whopper? Copyrighted. But it's a wooden hopper. I just realized that's not a good idea. I just realized what I did. I am literally showing you all my failure. Right before I recorded this video, I played a game and I finished it while watching movies. It was very long and hard. I'm traumatized from that moment. I did it again, didn't I? Our base is basically gone. There's literally... Okay. There we go. So when I respawn, I will get on top of my aquarium. Oh shit. I can do this. And then I can immediately start building my base. Okay. I've had many mistakes, and I've never had a worse mistake like this. Well, worse mistake than this. I wish I could fly. nice to have everything going. Just without me. Okay, that's just a little empty thing back on. So yeah, I'm basically rebuilding my base. This episode is going to be the base rebuild. That's going to be in the title. I'm very mad with myself. Okay. Oh, I'm very itchy right now. And I do not know why. I'm literally going to the shower right after this video. I'm so cheap. This is almost done. I like the music. I don't know why I'm doing it in the other game. I should probably do it in something else. I hope I learned my lesson. Let me clear my eyes and fingers. Moving down to 2 stacks left actually. Itchy. It's like when we're naming this video the base building. My hand that's building is itchy. I don't know how to handle it itchy. You know what? I know exactly what I need to do. I do not have sticks. And I need a 26. In every video, I'm going to look at this little sign saying I'm going to look at this sign saying don't shift break the face. Okay. And we'll look at that every episode as soon as I get on. Okay. Now, I think I know what I need to do with this. I'm going to destroy all of the wood on there. Come on. Or whatever. We'll be done next episode. I hope next episode. Okay. Oh, and I am physically blind. I'm physically blind with my sister. No, my sister isn't really blind, but she, like, pretty much acts like it. Anyways, metal. Okay. So, what I want to do is actually, escape achievements. I looked at this and I found the Age of Storage. Now, I have this book increases your capacity over the living crate. What? Nonsense. Okay. So get the living crate. Pickaxe. Mine this here. Okay. And then just okay, place this down right on top of it. Huh? Doesn't do anything. What you talking about? Oh. They're the exact same. So this is fantastic. Great. health increases capacity over what I'm doing. Let me try it the other way. Try it the other way around. This might actually make more sense. Nope. I'll search that up afterwards. So, I found some things I want to do. I need to craft a bone sapling. A bone sapling is made with bone meal, which I need gravel. Where's my bone? Where the gravel? No gravel here. Actually, gravel's something. So we got clay gravel. We did monster gravel. Oh god. What? Decorative. This can be used as a nothing. Absolutely nothing. There's no water. Hold on. What is this? Rusty handle. Don't care about rusty handles. Not a helmet. I feel like it's a helmet. What's saplings do I have a lot of? It's only something I have in the hands. I just need two more. This is clay. I don't care about clay. I used to care about clay, but now I don't. Oh, my ear is snapping at me. Bone meal. Now, we take our bone meal, mix it with dirt, we get fertile soil. Now, put the fertile soil there. You take your... gravel sapling. You take one of them. Bring it over here, since this is a hopping bonsai. Wait for it. And I said snap. I snapped. There we go. Look at that. Gravel. Okay, I'm going in this video here, and I guess I don't know what to say, you guys. I just want to say I hope you guys watch my videos. I guess I said this last episode. Hope you guys like watching my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.